So this is the garden I got, and I did a lot of functional exercise with Papa and chest and triceps and all. I don't know whether I'm allowed to sit on this झूला, but बाहर में ना वर्कआउट करने का कुछ अलग ही मज़ा है, क्योंकि ये जो ऑक्सीजन you get from this the O2. I'm scared of swings also. बैठी नहीं ना बहुत दिन से. So the oxygen which you get from these trees are marvelous. Nothing to beat this, huh? AC, TC, Duncan, Punkan, nothing to beat this. This is too good. Look at this. Woods are woods. Okay. So Papa is sitting at that corner and he's admiring the. Can you see him? He's sitting there and he's admiring. And I'm going into my childhood. ऐसा समय मुझे 30 साल तक नहीं मिला, काम ही करती रही, लेकिन अब ये समय मिल गया है. I hope my father becomes good and self-efficient. I'm sure. So there he is and he's cooperating very well. चलिए मिलती हूँ. अब थोड़ा थोड़ा झूला झूलना आ रहा है. 30 साल से झूला नहीं झूला. ये देखिए आ गया. थोड़ा झूला झूलती हूँ. चलिए बाय.